Good morning. Hello. Come here. How was your beautiful sleepy? Hi. How was your sleepy? Do you want to go get a pouch? You want to go get a pouch? Do you want to pick one out? Ooh, good choice. Yum. Uh-huh. Oop. Here you go. Your water if you want some water. Here you go. Okay, let me get you a little show for a second.
It leads to friendship.
Right, come here. Come on. Come on, Boo. Come here. Arrow, you want to take our doggy on a walk?
Going down.
Good job, Bobo.
Going up.
Come here. Good potty. How is it, Bobo? You like the oranges? You got your baby?
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my
Can you go change your diaper now? Really? What else? Let's go change your diaper. Huh? And then we're gonna go to the gym. We're gonna see your friends. Oh, let's not touch the lens.
caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is just passing by. Tries to carry all.
Mwah. Can we have this? Because I don't want it on the floor like that. But you did a lot of help. Thank you. You did a lot of help. Do you want to come up too? One, two, three. Are you ready for your class? Are you ready? Yes. You want to slide? Okay, we've left the gym and now I have to run an errand at CVS. You ready? I should have put your shoes on back in the gym, huh? I did not plan this out very well. I know. We're gonna have lunch. Okay, you want to climb up? We can wash your hands. Come on. Okay, good job. You see the bubbles and we do. Do you want quesadillas? I have all this stuff. You want to? Oh, okay. You do that, and I'll do the quesadillas. Okay? You want some lunch, boo-boo? Okay, so we're filming today. That day. Let's see. Here. You want to draw? You can draw in here. Here you go. Good job. Kids. I like being comfy. I like being comfy too. One out, one in. You want to take a nappy? I think it's nap time. And we have a nap. We haven't always been getting this nap. There has been some protesting, but today I think she was so tired out from the gym. She went down actually a little bit early at 11:45. She was falling asleep wherever she was going, and like laying down like that, so I just went with it. But we've been usually doing a 12 or 12:30 to 2 o'clock is usually how late she'll go. So we'll see how long I have now. The nap is when I can get, like, I'm gonna hang all this stuff up, but work stuff done. I'm gonna try to edit what I am filming now a little bit. I don't even remember everything that happened this morning. I have an IG video I need to plan out that I am working on this month, and then I have a little launch happening again with some new merch. I'm doing beanies and I need to double check on my last merch with my team, because with the holidays and shipping, with how the world is right now, I'm sure you know there have been a ton of delays, and so I think everything has shipped out, but we were having a lot of troubles that were just out of our control and unexpected. So thank you guys. You were affected by this and your order was delayed. Definitely let me know. I see you in my DMs. It is faster if you email Fanjoy on their website directly in regards to an order, but of course if you have any questions you can reach out to me. So I have to approve the last round of edits to the beanie design, and then I think they're gonna be shipped out in 2 weeks, so I need to plan a photo shoot for them. The goal was a Valentine's Day launch, and I think we're gonna miss that, but we're still gonna roll with it. Okay, I have all my cozy collection here. Let's hang this up. Obviously, I have moved, and I haven't really showed you my place yet. I did order a bunch of stuff, but with shipping delays, it's probably gonna not come for a month or two, so I'm kind of just waiting for like I don't even have nightstands. I'm just waiting for a cohesive place to show, but you can kind of see bits and pieces. There are a couple changes from my last apartment that I had to make to how I set everything up, because I used to have a walk-in closet, which was such a lovely experience, and now I just have these two closets, and I had to, you can probably see it, a second wardrobe over there. So I'm trying to get a little bit more organized, but I feel pretty moved in. I think I've officially been here like a week and 3 days. Really curious how the audio is throughout the place and how the lighting is, so let me know what you guys think. I still really love Skims. Everything I'm hanging up is Skims cozy collection, if you're wondering, and I'm wearing their velvet collection. I cannot be stopped. They don't sponsor me. I've never been sponsored by them. I think they replied to a DM once, like, looking good. I have this bike in here and I don't know where to put it yet, so it's blocking my closet is the best thing I could do. I did actually reuse Arrow's newborn clothes dividers because they're very like small little dividers for my underwear, and I'm kind of proud. I'm definitely not the most organized person in the world, but like they really work well for underwear and bras, and then period underwear that I just have lingerie strewn about. But yeah, if you got the newborn dividers like I did, the really small ones, and the toddler clothes don't fit in them anymore, use it for your underwear. She only slept for an hour, so let's go get her. Good morning! How is your beautiful sleepy? You woke up early. Were you just excited to play? Oh, you're warm, boo-boo. This is a yummy one, and this is a yummy one. It's yogurt, and that's fruit. You want the fruit? Here you go. Well, I only opened this one, so I'm gonna put this one back. Honestly. Okay, run. I'm trying to get us ready, but Arrow's very much into her avocado. Do you need help? I have a Green Chef delivery downstairs, and it's been there for 2 hours. And yeah, I feel like that's something I need to do sooner rather than later. So once we are done with our avocado snack. Thank you. One little hand. I see it. I see it. You want to go inside? Or do you want to push it? Yep. There you go. Good job. Okay, Mommy's going to put this in here. Watch your fingers. What looks good to you? You want to show Mommy? Here. I'll pick you up and you show Mommy. Which one? OOTD. Literally everything I wear is comfy and cozy. Same with Arrow. Her set is Zara. Mine is Skims. Like, literally. Please send me other places to get comfy clothes. Cute! Do you want to wear them? Are you so comfy cozy too? You want to put them on mommy? Wow. Thank you. Do you like it when mommy wears them like this? Yeah. Here, do you want to try them? Whoa. Okay, this is from Amazon and it's like highly recommended. It fits over any pouch and it's like a no spill thing. But Arrow just loves to rip it off. And so then it becomes a mess, even more of a mess. Now she's putting it on. Maybe if she does it herself. Oh, okay. Can I help you a little bit? There. Does that work? No. We are down the street from Arrow's grandma's house, Cody's mom, and so we might go over there to play and see a bunny, because there's a bunny over there, and there's some doggies, and a nice change of scenery. I don't think I have it in me to do the park or the beach right now, but I could do like a little 10-minute round trip outdoor bunny experience. So we'll see if we can make that work. Otherwise, I'm just surviving through the day. I'm gonna switch up my outfit with a hat and pants and the same everything else. Hello? Is there baby? Is there baby? Last outfit checks before we go to dinner. I went with Uggs because I'm basic. Still everything the same. Her favorite or my favorite Amazon PJs, sneakers from Target. Are you ready to go? You want to hold my hand? Okay, let's go. You ready? One more. Is that Sebastian?